All right, looks like we're pretty well protected in here. I think I can pull this off. A couple of things. I wanted to make sure that we were protected, of course, from any disease that may be coming our way. But there's also some technology here that has never been shown to the public whatsoever. This is your first look. Yes, we've had our spare tire mount for over a year now. It's been really nice for loading up those big dog spare tires. But there's been a lingering fear. Every time we hit that surprise washout on the trail, it conjures images of spare tires damaging the tailgate and even bouncing down the trail behind us. Not to worry. TeraFlex engineers operating in a top secret facility have produced and tested our new hinged carrier for over a year now. Their goal was to build a carrier that would not only match TeraFlex's industry-changing JK hinged carrier, but make some changes that would once again give the industry, something to shoot for. Well, that's the new TeraFlex JL hinge tire carrier. You're going to want to snag one of these because I tell you what, we're going to make a bunch of accessories for them.